As far as operationally, some of the challenges for large-scale extraction and delivery and refinement?
So everything is scalable. One of the machines I'll show you in a minute does 500 metric tons per hour. Just before I answer that question, I'll get you to see that we had bitumen coming off the liquid catalyst in 1.98 seconds, less than 2 seconds.
Yeah.
So from scalability, we already have pre-engineered equipment that will process 500 tons per hour, run that 24/7. For every 500 tons or for every barrel of oil, you require two tons of feedstock. Very similar to Peru, is very similar to Alberta.
So really you're just saying, in a refinery, call it a refinery, you're gonna scale it up to do a volume of
So I'll get you
2
to,
tons
I'll
in
get
24
you to write
hours?
these numbers down and I'll show you on camera. Okay, so here's what we're going to do and you write down the numbers. The machine does 500 tons per hour. This is the smallest machine that we have.
This is your test plan.
Yeah. You divide by 2 because it takes 2 metric tons to get 1 barrel of oil, which means we're recovering 250 barrels per hour. If you times that by 24, it's 6,000 barrels
The 24 is one
in a 24-hour cycle
in a day.
per one module. Okay? There's a
Per
new
500 tons.
per one machine that processes 500 tons per hour. You recover 250 barrels of oil per hour because it takes 2 tons to make a barrel. And you times that by 24 hours and you get 6,000 barrels per machine. Okay? They've just opened up a new oil field site in Alberta, which cost them $84,000 per flowing barrel. I'll explain what that means in a minute, but just remember, write down the figure, $84,000. And it was plated at 91,000 barrels per day capacity. Okay? And that figure, I have to turn the phone the other way around, because it's $7.64 billion. $7.64 billion is spent on a new site in Alberta to recover 91,000 barrels per day. Okay? Now I've just told you that we can process 250 barrels per hour or 6,000 barrels per day. So that refinery of extraction was 91,000 barrels per day at 7.64 billion. If I divide what they do per day by what we can do per machine, we need 15 machines. Each one of the machines would fit in the circumference of this room. So 15 times the footprint of this room, I can match a $7.64 billion CapEx project.
And the cost per plant?
We're about 1/10 of the cost. And ours is fully scalable for the simple reason in Fort McMurray most of their infrastructure is bolted to the ground or semi-mobile. All our equipment is pilot mobile scale, which means that rather than bring the feedstock that they do in Fort McMurray 3 or 4 kilometres on conveyor belts after getting it out of the truck,
Drive it away.
we basically take the process plant to the edge of the face of the edge of this table is where we're excavating. This square here is our plant. As we excavate, the plant just moves so many feet per week as we take out hundreds of thousands of tons here, process, extract the oil, bring the clean rock, put it back in again. There's no hole in the ground, you just keep moving. Scales of economy. There's no overburden. We're covering a lot and I'm throwing a lot at you.
I appreciate
But I just want you to know
Yeah, I'll get extra bucks.
the only reason I'm giving this a quick stir is purely for the factor that I should have changed the steel wool last night. But as I was in meetings all day and prepped this up to 11 o'clock last night and I was up at 5 o'clock this morning,
understand.
I didn't change the steel wool. But you'll notice what's running down now is almost clear.
It tells me it's all clean. It's all separated.
So what we're going to do is let this one drain, and I'm going to put this on a tissue paper. It will dry off very quickly. I'll get the camera to
And
stay.
that's the sand.
That's the sand. I'll get the camera to.
Oh, is that?
I'll get the camera to stay close, but you can clearly see, even though the sand is damp just now,
Mm-hmm.
and when that dries, it'll actually glisten at you. That is silica sand, and silica sand sells for $167 a ton. Additionally, silica sand, pure silica, is the product of choice now for the revolution of the best solar panel technology in the world.
Mm-hmm.
But this one is the telling they're not pure.
No,
silicon,
but we have the ability to separate
Ah,
and
okay.
get pure silica.
We can process it, yeah. We can process it.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up just a small section here. I'm going to lay out so we can recover the sand. I'm going to put a stopper in just for the evaporation rate,
Mhm.
just to speed up the process. And what we're now going to do is we're going to boil off or bubble off or vapor off all the liquid catalyst, and what's going to be left in here is going to be bitumen.
Pure.
Okay, so I'll lay that here. You'll notice also the glassware, we've been working with oil sands.
Pretty clean, isn't it?
Normally everything would be coated.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can just lay that out the way just now.